Good morning and welcome to Collier Kids Read. I am Julie from the East Naples Branch Library of the Collier County Public Library. You can join me and your other favorite readers every weekday at 10 a.m. to share stories, songs, and books with you. Be sure to check out our Facebook page, facebook.com/Collier County Library, for daily morning story times and other fun activities throughout the day. Today's story time features lots of hellos and lots of hearts. There will be an easy craft after I read 2 short books, and you can use any type or color of paper at home for the craft. We'll be making our own amazing animal out of heart shapes. If you ever visit me for story time at the East Naples Branch Library, you know I always begin story time with my favorite song, the ABC song. Do you know it? If so, sing along. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you so much for singing along with me. We are going to go right into our first book. It is called Hello, Hello. It is written and illustrated by Brendan Wenzel, and it will be read today with permission by Chronicle Books. Thank you, Chronicle Books. They're also on Facebook at Chronicle Kids Books. Hello, hello. 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 Black and white. Hello, color. Hello, bright. Hello, stripes. Hello, spots. Hello, giant. Hello, knot. Hello, tongue, ears, hands, and nose. Hello, pattern. Hello, pose. Hello, shape. Hello, show. Hello, wonder. Hello, whoa. Hello, quiet. Hello, loud. Hello, wild. Hello, proud. Hello, beauty. Hello, bend. Hello, neighbor. Hello, friend. Hello, roars, peeps, chirps, and chants. Hello, song, and hello, dance. A world to see. A world to know. Where to begin? Hello, hello. This book is really fun, and if you skip to the back page, if you're curious about all of the exciting animals that were featured in the book, you just choose the silhouette you'd like and you go right to that number and all of the animals are named, which I think is really fun part of the book. But it was called Hello, Hello. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. And my next book is one of my favorites, and I say that all the time, but I do have a lot of favorites. It is called My Heart is Like a Zoo. It is written and illustrated by Michael Hall, and it is read with permission by HarperCollins Children's Books. So thank you for permission to read this one. One of my favorites. My heart is like a zoo. Okay. My heart is like a zoo. Eager as a beaver, steady as a yak, hopeful as a hungry heron fishing for a snack, silly as a seal, rugged as a moose, happy as a herd of hippos drinking apple juice, snappy as a crab, angry as a bear, bothered as a bull with a hornet in its hair, cool as a penguin, crafty as a fox, quiet as a caterpillar wearing knitted socks, frightened as a rabbit, jumpy as a frog, gloomy as a lone coyote walking in the fog, brave as a lion, thoughtful as an owl, peaceful as a portly walrus lounging on a towel, cozy as a clam, chatty as a jay, tired as a zookeeper who's had a busy day. The end. Thank you for listening to that story with me. If you noticed, it is called My Heart is Like a Zoo, and you'll see each animal in the book is made out of what shape? A heart. Hearts that are upside down and backwards and sideways. So that's what we get to do today. I will show you how to make some simple craft animals out of heart shapes. So this one has smaller heart shapes, just whatever colors that you have around. What I've done, I lined them up. I used my glue stick to glue them. You know what this is going to be. Do you see all the little legs on there? It's going to be a caterpillar. So you just go ahead, glue your little pieces on. You can make it as long or as short as you like. I'll put this last piece on. If you want to make an antenna on it, you can. Your crafts generally look much better than mine, but there is your amazing caterpillar animal made out of hearts. I have another example for you. This one is a lion. So you need a couple more heart shapes and sizes for this guy. Take your heart shape, turn it upside down, and you just add to it. It's very easy. You need a little mouth for him. So you'll glue the little mouth on. You'll create the mane out of the heart pieces as well. You'll just surround his face with the heart pieces to create the mane. You'll add some eyes, you'll add a little chin, and you'll have your heart-shaped lion. I hope you enjoyed both of my books today, Hello, Hello, and My Heart is Like a Zoo. Thank you so much for listening. We really appreciate you being out there, and join us every weekday at 10 a.m. for Collier Kids Read. Have a great afternoon.